Good morning, weather news. My name is Jan Castro. Weather forecast. Monday, cloudy, 30 degrees centigrade. Humidity, 69%. Tuesday, cloudy, 30 degrees centigrade. Humidity, 70%. Wednesday, hot, 30 degrees centigrade. Humidity 70% and wind at 31 kilometers. Thursday, hot, 31 degrees centigrade. Humidity 71%. Friday, hot, the sun rises with 30 degrees centigrade and a 26-kilometer wind. 5 activities people can do and 5 activity people cannot do according to the weather. 1 activity to do on a day. Down on the beach, watch movies at home with family, read at a book at home, go to a museum or exhibition, skate in the sun. 2. Activity cannot be done on a hot day. River, laying on the beach for a long time, no outdoor picnic. Thank you, teacher.